Hey everyone, we're here fixing to move our cows and do a paddock change. And you'll see Matt rolling up the fence and they'll come through here. These are all our beeves right now.
Yeah.
We have lots more halves and wholes becoming available. We'll be picking some up from the processor this week. We have some nice looking steers and heifers. They like it on a paddock change. And get to eating. You can see all of them. As soon as he gets that rolled up, they come flying through. And you can see the difference on where they were and where they are now. We do have a surprise baby. We weren't expecting that. Found out the cow was pregnant this week. Well, last week, I think. But there they are. We're giving them the rest of this field, kind of let them have at it.